We may feel our life is empty, like a blank canvas. No color, no design, just dull by nature. It will remain in this state until we begin, until we start with the first pencil stroke. Drawing. It's not all about talent or practice. It's about expressing your feelings. I believe there's no right or wrong method in drawing. It may be abstract, realistic, hyper-realistic, or whatever you like. It is not reserved for specific people. Drawing is open to everyone. I draw to satisfy myself, as a coping method when my life feels stuck, lacks motivation, becomes hard to concentrate, or when I am emotionally exhausted. Each brushstroke anchors my wandering mind to the canvas. My hands, busy with brushes and paint, keep my physical body engaged in a focused activity. Drawing is a miracle that helps me to keep both mind and body centered on one task. The enthusiasm, excitement, and curiosity to see the final result bind me to the drawing, blowing all the sorrows away, at least for a while. As the empty canvas gradually fills, I find satisfaction in coloring my world amidst all the chaos.